Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You must start by confirming you have clinician approval. This is not optional. Once cleared, gather tools, bandage scissors, blunt-tip medical scissors, gloves, flashlight, towel, and a chair for support. Make sure you have someone to assist, because lifting or maneuvering can cause sudden pain. Before you touch the cast, check and record baseline circulation and sensation in the digits, temperature, color, and the ability to wiggle toes or fingers, so you can notice any change while you work. Once done with prep, position the limb so you can see and reach the cast comfortably. Make shallow cuts through the outer shell or unfasten removable straps. Never plunge scissors toward skin. Instead, slide the blade flat against the lining and make small, controlled cuts. As you open seams, gently peel back layers of padding. Use your free hand to protect the skin and separate material slowly. If you encounter hard resistance, unexpected heat, or sharp pain, stop immediately and notify your clinician for advice. After the cast is off, carefully inspect the skin for redness, blisters, sores, or a foul odor. Photograph any concerning findings and report them. Clean the area gently with lukewarm water and mild soap, pat dry, and apply a light moisturizer as directed. Skin will be fragile and flaky. Make sure range of motion exercises are cleared by your clinician. If you notice increasing pain, swelling, numbness, blue or cold digits, or any bleeding, stop all self-care and go to emergency services or call your provider right away.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.